Hey yo, this is just a cube update. Last night I finished this modded special stickers made of aluminum foil. I didn't do it that well because it was like really late. Okay naman yung rubiks cube. It gives a new dimension. Looks cool too. If you want to make your own stickers, just ask me how. You can do it better than this. I'm sorry, this sucks. Well, the real update. Look at this cube. See that? That's the Rubik's brand with, believe it or not, silicone. It's been like this for like 5 days and I've been opening inside it. It's still okay. I can't even open it though. I try to make it pop. Nope. I just have an update. The Rubik's 5x5 depends on which. Look at this one. The first day I got it, look at that. I don't even know where the corner is anymore. I was just like, first it was like, couldn't even move one side and I had to use a knife. There was still a piece of plastic, the defect. So the Rubik's 5x5 has a lot of defects. And look, it's not even that nice. It's really hard to solve and it's not a really good product. This Rubik's 5x5 is sort of performs better and hasn't popped on me yet. Almost has the. Let me show you. I can't. There. See that? See that? So it's not a really good thing to do. I'll be posting more videos of the tutorial of the expanded cross. And oh yeah, I finished my term paper. Yeah, you want to see the term paper? Yeah, term paper. Yeah, term paper. Yeah, I'm gonna graduate. This is like a 17-page nightmare. Yeah, I'm gonna post a video of this solving this in like 30 seconds. I'm not sure if I can. The stickers are still stuck on, and I'm gonna do a cube update later in the day. I'm going to give you an update on my Siamese cubes. Alright, see you.